And we're back to CapCut. Let me show you how you can create a text highlight effect. I've got a simple lorem ipsum snapshot here. I'll import it and you can change the aspect ratio here. So if you want to have a 16:9 video, do that here. I'm going to keep the original as we can read it a little bit better. By the way, I use the default layout. And then I go to text, add text default, click on the plus sign, resize your default text. It's active in the timeline and now I can change its color. Pick whatever you want to have. I want to have kind of like an orange color, so I use this one. Get rid of the text here and just add minus signs. We have gaps, and to get rid of them we need the character right here and put it to -2 or -3 depending on the font size. So if I size it up you can see the gaps again. So I make it -3. Then scale it down so that it fits one line of your text. And you can scroll down a little bit. There's a position option right here for Y. And there you can go up and down with the arrow keys to adjust it a little bit more in detail. But that should be good. Now you have to adjust the length of it. Do that by adding or deleting minus signs. You may have to reposition it here and there and check. Let me just use the bottom line here. And I add one minus. And now this length should be good. Let me go back to the opacity and I check it. I'll put it a little bit to the left. I increase the opacity again. But this is the first step. Second step is to add the animation. Go to animation in, and if you scroll down, you will find a freely available animation called wipe right. Just left click on it and it'll be added to the text. Here under duration you can adjust the timing. Whenever you kind of get lost and this is not visible anymore, just make sure that the text element is highlighted in the timeline. Then go back to animation and then you'll find the duration again. You can adjust it numerically or with this slider. Just make sure that it fits your narration, your audio. Let me make that 2.5 seconds. Next step is to right click on this text element and then create a compound clip. It's going to turn it into a video file, you could say. And now we can go to Video Basic and use the blend. And we can just make sure that the box is checked and open the drop down. And then you can pick different blending modes. Multiply should be the most common. So if I play this, you can see the text color is preserved and we have our orange highlight. But you can also try different ones. For example, overlay, where only the text gets colored. And there are mixed versions. I believe, was it brighten? No, it was darken. So here the text gets recolored and you have a background. So just pick one of these blending modes. As I've said, multiply is the most common. You can cycle through them and just pick one that you like. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.